Hello there. Today in the series of airborne technology, I will briefly introduce you to the Switchblade 600. Against the background of the Russian war of aggression against Ukraine, Lithuania is continuing to arm itself. The Baltic, EU and NATO country is acquiring Switchblade 600 combat drones and equipment from the United States of America. A corresponding purchase contract worth around 45 million euros was signed last week. That's what the Ministry of Defense announced in Vilnius on Thursday. Information on the number and delivery date of the drones was not given though. We are the first country in the world after the United States to acquire Switchblade 600, is what Defense Minister Arvydas Anušauskas said in a statement. The combat drone makes it possible to destroy enemy tanks and other armored vehicles at a distance of up to 40 kilometers. Our army didn't have this capability before. Lithuania borders Russia's Baltic State sea enclave of Kaliningrad in Russia's ally Belarus. The war in Ukraine is seen as a direct threat to national security in the Baltic state. The Baltic state in northeastern Europe has therefore massively increased its military spending and is upgrading its armed forces. The NATO allies Germany and the USA are considered key partners there. Switchblade 600 represents the next generation of extended-range loitering missiles, delivering unprecedented RSTA support and featuring high-precision optics, over 40 minutes of loitering endurance, and an anti-armor warhead for engaging larger, hardened targets at greater distances. As an all-in-one, man-portable solution, Switchblade 600 includes everything required to successfully plan and execute missions and can be set up and operational in less than 10 minutes. Equipped with the class-leading high-resolution EOIR gimbal sensors and advanced precision flight control, Switchblade 600 empowers the warfighter with quick and easy deployment via tube launch and the capability to fly, track and engage non-line-of-sight targets and armored vehicles, and that with precision lethal effects without the need for external ISR or fire assets. Patented wave-off and recommit capability allows operators to abort the mission at any time and then re-engage either the same or other targets multiple times based on operator command. Whether it's from fixed defensive positions, combat vehicles with integrated organic precision fire, or air-launched applications, Switchblade 600 provides field commanders with a multi-mission loitering missile system capable of multi-domain operations. But of course I also have stats for you according to the manufacturer. The effects on target are anti-armor and anti-personnel effects. The link range is has a threshold of 40 kilometers and the objective is 90 plus kilometers. The endurance, I mentioned several times before in the video, is 40 plus minutes. The weight, we have to split up. The AUR is 22.7 kilograms, the missile is 14.97 kilograms, and the whole system, that means one AUR and FCS, is 54.4 kilograms. The speed of the cruise speed is 70 miles per hour and the dash speed is 115 miles per hour. But we also have some features according to the manufacturer. It has a DDL handoff capability, anti-armor munition with a height of burst sensor, a less than 10-minute system setup and launch. It has a patented wave-off recommit capability, a modular payload bay with multi-mission capabilities, an AES-256 encrypted digital C2 and SAASM GPS, an intuitive touch tablet controller, an integrated training simulator, rechargeable smart battery, and so on. The United States has apparently already delivered 100 Switchblade 300 and 600 drones to Ukraine, so Lithuania is not the first, but the first buying it at a price of around 715 million euros. The aircraft, also known as kamikaze drones, are primarily used to explode on impact. The Switchblade is, as I kind of said, a disposable drone, small as a baguette, so the bread, it fits in a backpack. and the drone is traveling at a speed of around 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. It's equipped with cameras, guidance systems and explosives to dive bomb an intended target. Through the cameras, the drone also provides important information for reconnaissance of the military opponent. Unlike most similar weapons, the Switchblade, according to the manufacturer AeroVironment, can stop at any time and take on another target, as I said earlier. The devices fly at around 60 kilometers per hour for up to 15 minutes with, or in this case with 640 minutes, with the camera transmitting video footage of the terrain before accelerating to 115 kilometers per hour when their remote controlled pilot locks on a target. And if you want to know more about interesting military technology, you'll find my next video right here in the end screen. I'll see you in my next video. I'll be back.